This 5-minute solution will show you how to change your birthday age on TikTok account. So as we know that in TikTok app, here is no option to change or update our birthday age. So follow these steps to change your birthday. The process will be similar for Android and iPhone. First of all, open up a browser and type here TikTok support. Tap on share your feedback. And here enter the email address which one is connected with your TikTok account. Write here your TikTok account username. Select an option here, select change account information. Select an option, select other, and here all you have to need, just carefully describe that you want to change your birthday age on TikTok because of the current date of birth is incorrect, and you can upload your birth certificate photo or NID or national ID card photo here, and then check these two options and submit this form and wait until TikTok change your birthday age on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.